A planet known to be mild malefic due to its hot and dry nature, Surya is the king of all the planets. It is known as Atma Karak. In Sanskrit, Atma means soul and Karak means indicator. Sun is the giver of life, vitality, respect, honor, status, fame, ego, and power. It is very strongly placed in the 10th house, followed by the 1st, 4th, and the 7th house in your horoscope. The 3rd, 6th, and 11th houses are known as growing houses. They do not have a favorable influence of the sun on them. Pitta, containing the fire and water element, is considered as the nature of the temperament of the sun. Surya works very well with Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius zodiac signs and is particularly very fond of Aries. Libra experiences a shortcoming of the sun in its life cycle. Moon, Mars, and Jupiter are the natural friends of the sun, whereas Rahu, Venus, Saturn, and Ketu are the enemies of this planet. Constellations like Uttarashada, Uttarafalguni, and Kritika are ruled by Surya. He rules Leo sign in the zodiac. He takes an entire year to complete a round of all the zodiacs. He stays for 1 month in each person's chart. Sunday is considered to be an auspicious day for offering prayers to the sun. Ruby, red garnet, red spinel, any pink and red gem is ruled by the sun. It is said to be the most beneficial when set in a base of gold metal. Gold is ruled by the sun, and in fact, it is known as the metal of the sun itself, pertaining to its shiny colors and properties. Sun rules the east direction as guided by the Vastu Shastra, a traditional Indian system of architecture. Surya is the god of living. Everyone can see him, perceive him, and pray to him. Along with being a life giver, he is also the one giving time. He gives resistance and immunity to his worshippers. He is responsible for our body and immune system. Apart from the qualities like brilliance, wit, will, intellect, he generously gives success, prosperity, growth in worldly affairs, wealth, conduct, good fortune, ambition, fame, wisdom, and extensive knowledge of medicine and mainly understanding of the world. It overlooks the relationship of his devotees with temples and holy places and shrines in the world. Sun governs the spinal cord in humans. It is linked to the left eye in women and the right eye in men. Surya also looks after the heart, the lung, liver, head, nerves, and bones. Surya Namaskar can be seen as a great way to take care of all these aspects. Amongst the various benefits of sun salutation, controlled sugar levels, better digestive system, body detox, reduced anxiety are some noteworthy benefits, keeping in mind the organs ruled by the sun. The sun occupies the center position, which is the most notable. This is the source of soul and fatherhood. He is known as Pranadatta along with Atma Karaka. People are advised to perform Surya Namaskar on a daily basis to strengthen bones, cure illness, and stay fit and healthy. Some people also believe that Surya Namaskar helps devotees to get rid of their sins and achieve fame and wealth. A lot of devotees also offer water to the sun when it is rising as a form of prayer for a successful and healthy life.